I'm Coleman Clark of BC Clark Jewelers, talking about diamond certificates and grading reports. The majority of diamonds today, especially those above half a carat, will be accompanied with an independent laboratory report, sometimes referred to as a diamond certificate. And there are many independent labs in the world that offer the service of certifying a diamond. But it's important to know that not all of these are equal. At BC Clark, we only offer diamonds with laboratory reports from 3 of the most reputable labs. Those are GIA, AGS, and Forevermark. We feel it's important not to mislead our customers by offering substandard diamond certificates. It's just important to understand that you cannot compare equally diamonds of a certain color and clarity when they're not of those 3 most reputable labs. So diamond certificates are helpful, but they only tell part of the story. So it's very important to see a diamond in person, to see the beauty of the diamond, because there's a lot of factors that go into the way a diamond's cut and other factors that can't really be explained on a diamond certificate. And so it's very hard to compare diamonds without looking at the actual diamond. We just really invite people into our store to talk with our professional staff about all the ins and outs of diamond certificates, as well as be able to look at a lot of diamonds at one time. We've done a lot of the hard work for you by selecting our diamonds, by bringing them in, by selecting only the best labs to certify our diamonds. And so we just want to help you choose the best diamond for you.